Hello students, today's lecture is conditional operator and comma operator in C. So we will discuss both these operators, conditional operator and comma operator, one by one. So first is conditional operator. What is a conditional operator? It is a ternary operator. So as I have already discussed with you, what is a unary operator, what is a binary operator. A unary operator is an operator which requires only one operand. For example, plus a minus b, a plus plus, b minus minus. So a is the operand and plus or minus or plus plus or minus minus are the operators. So what is a binary operator? A binary operator is an operator which requires two operands. For example, a plus b, a minus c, a divided by b. So a and b are operands and plus minus these are operators. So in binary operators we require two operands. So similarly in ternary operator we require three operands, and the three operands are separated by this question mark and colon. These two symbols are used to separate the three operands. So we will write the ternary operator as test expression question mark expression 1 colon expression 2. What does it mean? It means if the test expression is true, then the result will be expression 1, and if the test expression is false, then the result will be expression 2. So if the test expression is true, true means non-zero, then the expression 1 is evaluated and it becomes the value of the overall conditional expression. So if test expression is true means non-zero, then the expression 1, whatever is written in this expression 1 will be evaluated, and the result of this expression will become the result of this overall expression. And if this test expression 1, if this test expression is false, that is 0. This is test expression, not 1, only test expression. So if this test expression is false, that is non-zero, then expression 2 is evaluated and it becomes the value of overall conditional expression. So if this test expression, not 1, only test expression, if this is false, that is 0, then expression 2 is evaluated and it becomes the value of overall conditional expression. So if this test expression is false, then the whatever written in this expression 2 will be evaluated, and the result of this expression will become the result of this overall expression. We will see an example. For example, a is greater than b question mark a colon b. So if a is greater than b is true, then the result will be a, and if a greater than b is false, then the result will be b. So if this is true, the result is, if this is true, then result is this, and if this is false, then result will be this. We will take a program. Here is a program. I have included two header files, standard input-output.h and console input.h, as I have already discussed with you in my previous lectures. What does these files means? So void main. So I have declared two integer variables and initialize them with a with 12 and b with 7 and another integer variable max. So max equal to a greater than b question mark a colon b. What does this mean? If a greater than b is true, then the value of a will be assigned to max, and if a greater than b is false, then value of b will be assigned to max. So the largest of %d value of a 12 and %b, that is 7, is max. What is the value of max? In this case it will be 12. So it got 12. What will the output of this program? Larger of 12 and 7 is 12. So larger of 12 and 7, this 12 and 7 will be 12. So this is the output of this program. This is how we can use conditional operator in our programming. This is the conditional operator, and I have assigned the value of this conditional operator to max. So if a greater than b is true, then the value of a will be the overall value of this expression. This expression, it will be assigned to max. And if a greater than b is false, then value of b will become the value of this expression and it will be assigned to max. So I have printed the value of max here. So this is how conditional operator works. Next is comma operator. So when we have so many expressions and we have to write in a single statement, we will separate these expressions using comma. So use of comma is to separate different expressions. So comma operator is used to permit different expressions to appear in situation where only one expression we use. So in a single expression, we will combine different expressions using comma. The expressions are separated by the comma operator. The separate expressions are evaluated from left to right, and the type and value of the rightmost expression is the value of overall expression. So when we write different expressions using comma, so we will evaluate or compiler will evaluate the expression from left to right, and the value of the rightmost expression will become the overall value of our expression. For example, let's take an example. For the let A, I have assigned value 8 to A, 7 to B, and 9 to C. A, B, sum equal to sum. So the value of first, what we'll do, it will first assign 8 to A, then 7 to B, then 9 to C, and then it will calculate the sum and assign the sum to this sum to this sum. So 8 and 7 is 15, 15 and 9, 24. So 24 will be the sum of it. If which is equivalent to, if we don't have to use the comma operator, then we can also write this A, 8 is assigned to A, 7 is assigned to B, 9 is assigned to C, and A plus B plus C is assigned to sum. So this is how comma operator works. That's all I have today about conditional operator and comma operator. Thank you.